Hello everyone, today we are comparing the latest smartphones, the Motorola Edge 70, X60 and Edge 50. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. All three mobiles come with an IP68 rating. Display features. They offer 6.7 inches POLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Next, compare the hardware features. Motorola Edge 70 and Edge 50 are powered by the Snapdragon chipset, and the Edge 70 comes with MediaTek chipset. Camera features. Let's compare the battery features. These devices include 5G connected HD speakers and fingerprints. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.